Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change the voice on your Google Maps. So let's get right into it. I'll be using this WikiHow article because for some reason I'm missing certain options which are needed for this to work. So I'll just go through this article, go through both the Android settings and the iPhone settings. So let's get right into it. So for Android, what you're going to need to do is just go into Google Maps, tap on your icon in the top right. Then you're going to go into settings, then go into navigation settings, and then go into voice selection. You can search for guidance volume and make it either softer, louder, or just plain normal. And there you can select the voice language if you so chose. And that is pretty much it. Once you select your language, that's going to change that language. You can also go into your assistant and add a language if you want it. But other than that, that is pretty much it for Android, pretty much. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go for iPhone, you're gonna go into your settings. Then once you're in settings, there are no ways to change specifically Google Maps voices and languages apart from changing your own language and region on iPhone. So just go into settings, go into general, then go into language and region, and then just add a language. And that a language, once you select it, will change the language of Google Maps. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.